How to check your Windows 11 version. This tutorial shows you how to find out exactly which version of Windows 11 you're running in just a few steps. First, click on the Start menu at the bottom left of your screen. After that, go to Settings by clicking on the gear icon. Let me show you. From there, click on System on the left side menu. At this point, scroll down and click on About to open your system information. In the next step, you'll see all your PC details listed here, including your Windows version and build number. From there, look for the Windows specifications section at the bottom of the page. At this stage, you'll see the edition showing whether you have Windows 11 Home or Pro, the version number, and the OS build number. Following this, note down the version and build number. This is useful when troubleshooting issues or checking if your PC is up to date. Once done, let me show you a quicker method. Press the Windows key and R at the same time to open the Run dialog box. From there, type in winver and press Enter. At this stage, a small pop-up window will appear, showing your Windows version and build number at a glance. Here's an important note. If your Windows version is outdated, it's a good idea to update it. Go back to Settings, click on Windows Update, and click on Check for Updates to make sure you're running the latest version. And that's it. If this guide helped you check your Windows 11 version, give it a like, subscribe for more Windows tutorials.